Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluchi. I am a Nigerian based in Istanbul, Turkey. So if this is your first time seeing my face, hi. You're welcome to my channel. So today's video, as usual, I'm here to try out an experiment. Anyway, and the experiment I'm trying out today is shaving my face. Yes, my whole face. I'm not shaving off my eyebrows, but I'm going to shave every other hair. I am very hairy. Like when I mean very hairy, my hair is there. So this is how my skin looks like without shaving.
Give me the light, give me that push, give me the bad man thing, give me that push, give me that thing that blow my mind, give me that thing.
I am super hairy. I also have like sideburns, but I don't think I'll be shaving off all the sideburns because my sideburns actually look cute. So I don't think I'll be shaving it off. But I'm going to shave my whole face. I've seen like a couple of videos. The recent one I watched was Sarah's video, Sarah Kiola. Oh Jesus, Sarah, I'm sorry. But it's Sarah's video that I watched recently where she shaved her face. I saw that video like years ago when she first uploaded it. And she also did like a second time. And she didn't break out in both videos. So I'm like, why not try it out? So I wanted to wax, but wax is like very hot and stuff, and I don't think I'm ready to wax my whole face. Yeah, I'm just going to try out the shaving. So first thing, I'm going to steam my face with this facial steamer. I'm going to put a link in the description box where you can get it from, and you need some type of oil for your face. So I currently don't have any face oil aside from all this grapes. This one I'm using is going to be the grapeseed oil. I'm just going to apply a bit on my face and shave my face. And you also need some eyebrow blades. This is how they look like. I have this normal one too, so you will need some blade. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put in water into my facial steamer. Just put water a bit, then I'm going to close it up. I'm going to close it up, so my face is going to be like this. So I'm just waiting for the water to get hot. I've turned it on. It's like showing a light here, so I've turned it on. So my face is quite steamed up already. Whew, that was so hot. But yeah, I'm just going to dab away the water or the steam. Face looks so red. Take your grapeseed oil and apply a bit. Okay. Yeah. Rub it. I'm going to go section by section. So I'll use method, I'm not sure. I don't know about it, but if I don't have any type of irritation or anything, I might try it out again. But yeah, it's more like after shaving your face, it's more like you just had like a facial. You know, when you go for facials, your face feels so smooth, but it's more like after wearing a face mask. So what I'll do, I'll just wash my face and do all the normal skincare things I normally do, just to make sure that my face remains smooth and I don't have any irritation. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I'm going to put a comparison so you can see my face, the before and the after. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you are going to try it out, let me know. Let us be plenty in case. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.